no videos. Hey guys, we're back for day 4.
You ready?
Yep, are y'all guys ready?
Yes.
I gotta tell you something real quick.
What?
You guys need to subscribe to my video and hit that like button.
Yes.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So today we open up number 4 because, duh. See, we already did number 3.
Okay, so where's 4?
It's right here, duh. What?
You got it?
Yes.
Careful.
I gotta get on the table for this one. Let me see what in the back. Is that supposed to be? That's supposed to be.
Look on the back of the door. Right here. Push open the door. What is it?
It doesn't show on the back. This is not part of it.
Just because it's not back there doesn't mean it's part of it. It could be on this thing underneath. What is it though?
It is.
Let me see.
That's not part of it, right?
No, is it like a little cart or something?
No, it doesn't show on the back.
That doesn't mean it's not part of it because it's not on back, honey. I think it's like a cart or something. See?
What is it? Y'all guys leave a comment below. So if y'all guys know what this is, because we don't know what it is, right? Right, Mom?
Yeah. Well, I think it's a cart, but you don't know what it is.
So they need to put a link down below. And where does he? I don't even know where you put it. It doesn't even show it on the back.
Okay, we're gonna put it together and we'll be back. Here, show day 4.
This is what day 4 is. You should get one of these advent calendars because you may like these.
Yeah, I thought it was a cart, but it's like a truck.
Yeah, but it doesn't even show.
Truck. I don't know, some kind of truck.
Yeah, why does it not show it on there?
I don't know, but they don't put all of them on there, so you don't know what's in there. It's a surprise.
Oh,
So you like it?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the street.
So what do you think tomorrow for day 5?
I think it's gonna be my car.
You think it's gonna be the car?
Yes, because it's been forever.
Forever. It's been 4 days. Tomorrow will be 5. So maybe tomorrow.
Yay! Now can we chat?
Yes. What do you want to say?
Now can we chat? Hey guys. You don't see anything coming, right? Right? Now, did you see something come?
It was super fast.
Now can we do it?
Mm-hmm.
We get it, no, get it.
Let's just scratch my table up.
I heard you whispering.
You heard me whispering.
Yep.
Look at all the scratches you put on my table, running cars on them.
I know that. And look, guys, it's a Minecraft sword and a vest. Who can this go for? And we're not doing it to this guy.
Who is that?
A snowman.
You put it on the snowman.
I'm gonna try to put this thing on the snowman.
What is that?
It's a vest.
Oh.
I just got this sword stuck in it.
I don't think
Okay?
it's gonna fit on him, do you?
I think it's gonna fit on him.
It might. You don't need to take his arms off, do you?
I think I do.
Yeah. You didn't need to take his arms off.
Oh, you can do however you want. I got the face. It's that.
I've seen it go in your sleep.
Hey guys, today we're going to a Christmas thing, right, Mom?
Mm-hmm. A drive-through Christmas Santa thing. I don't know. I don't know how they're gonna do Santa.
Jeez. Let's do it like this. This is better. Oh,
You think that's gonna work better?
no.
Oh my goodness.
I'm dropping everything.
You sure are. You got butterfingers.
No, I got slippy fingers.
It's the same thing, Papa.
No, it's not.
Let me help you.
Okay, you can do it. I want you to put the vest on.
I'm putting it on. Oh, I think it's a little too thick.
Okay, I can do
If
it.
the hole was bigger, it could go around the thing better.
Mama, can you give me it?
Boy.
Give me it. That's better.
No, it pops right off. The head pops off. Okay, we got it to work. I had to make the hole bigger on the vest.
Yep.
And then extend it right there.
Yep.
And now you got it.
Wait, can you give me it? I want it.
Good thing you have
What?
this with all his little parts in it.
Oh, you just needed that little mini thing
Mm-hmm.
too.
So he has an army vest on
Yeah.
and Darth Vader's head, helmet, head.
Hey, yeah, that's his hat.
Focus. Okay, here you go, babe.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay!
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for day 5.